How's it going, everybody? In this video, what I have here today is a dog collar, and this is not just any dog collar. This is a dog collar that accepts an Apple Airtag. Check this out, everybody. If you're like me and you got a little small dog that, has a tendency to run off from time to time, or a large dog, I suggest getting something like this. This is from the company, I think you would say that, MORXIL, MORXIL, but look at the quality of this thing. This is very premium. The back of it here is like got a padding on it so it does not wear down on the dog's neck. And then here's the little like thing right here that holds the AirTag. Check this out. I have an Apple AirTag here. Look how simple this is to install in here. You just drop it in there like that, and it holds it in this protective casing right here. Does that not look awesome? Look at that. And it kind of just slides on just like this, right there like that. And it's actually held in place by this cushion right here. It's got stitching all along there, and it feels absolutely indestructible. And I've got like a cheaper collar on them now, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on. This is a small, but it comes in a variety of sizes and a variety of colors. There's different like holes right here, and they're all punched and got metal rivets on them. You can see how it just kind of like goes like that, locks into place. This feels like a high quality belt more than anything. Anybody that's had like a belt. It has a hook right here for a leash, and then an additional hook right here for like name tags and things like that. So yeah, let me go ahead and get the dog over and put it on him. Okay, I have Remo here. This is the collar that I have on him. It's basically one of these collars right here. There's this name tag, and you know what? I have this little thing right here. I actually recommend that. I use that when I walk them at night. Let's put that aside over there. Let's get the new collar. That feels pretty good. Just like that. This thing is pretty stiff right now. And there it is. And I'll put his tag and all that on there later. Look how it just kind of like looks on the neck there. You can see how the air tag is right there out of the way. That thing fits nicely. Well, there you go, buddy. So that's all I got today. That's all me and Remo have today on the AirTag collar. See y'all in the next video.